What's up, guys? Out on a no heat call on a boiler. I just put this tank in this week. Another company did, let's focus here. Another company did the boiler install, take you inside, but no filter outside. It's the tank, I'm assuming, moving it around. Swapping the tanks over, clogged it up, but I'll get a filter out here installed, and I'll clean out the filter inside. House is vacant right now. Painters were here. Said it was getting cold. But here's the boiler. You can see there's no filter inside here. Burnham V8H. I'll get that filter down there and clean it out. But you can see this is someone else did the boiler install. Actually, one of the bigger companies in this area. Quite a mess. 2 zones. Not sure if it could have been done any better, but I'm guessing it probably could have. But let's turn it on and see how it runs. Definitely was spitting and sputtering, which makes me believe that the thing is clogged up. Definitely doesn't seem like it's a constant flame. So I'll take it apart, clean it up, clean the filters, take you guys along. All right, got my filter made, courtesy of the Hillmore flare tool. I'll go stick it on. Oh yeah, definitely dirty. You guys can see that. adjusted. I'll get back with you. Alright, we got her all the way out. Set at the highest. Still not very good. Started. Let it run. See where we get to. Doesn't look like it's going to be very good though. Alright, after a little adjusting, CO dropped way down. It's below 50. Thing's not banging anymore. Probably adjust it a little bit more, see if I can make the CO just drop out altogether. But I don't want to get it too, I don't want the CO2 to get too high. Start sitting up. I'll see what I can do with it. Alright, this is going to be our final numbers. I tried to cut the air back a little bit more, bring that CO down, but it's just not getting any better. Probably could use a cleaning. Like I said, this was another company, a larger company in the area. They did the boiler install. I did the tank. Saw there was no filter. The draft is definitely still too high, but we'll have to come back for that one if they want to fix it. All right.